In the vibrant Ensanche Derecho neighborhood of Barcelona, an 85 SQM apartment has undergone a remarkable transformation, marking a fusion of modern design and the preservation of historical elements. This apartment, born from the division of a larger space with dual facades onto Enric Granados Street and a spacious interior courtyard, now tells a tale of thoughtful restructuring. Originally, the apartment had its access at the center, but the division shifted it to the interior end, redirecting the natural flow towards a spacious interior gallery room overlooking the courtyard. Despite the alteration, the rich variety of nolla mosaic flooring, adorned with drawings and colors of significant value, was meticulously preserved, showcasing a commitment to retaining the essence of the original design. Within a span of just over 6 meters, a strategic placement decision was made to position 2 bedrooms on the inner part of the apartment. These bedrooms enjoy ample light and ventilation from 2 interior courtyards, allowing the living room, kitchen, and dining spaces to establish a more generous connection to the backyard. Upon entering, 2 metal-cladded fronts with a rose gold finish guide inhabitants towards the daytime areas. These fronts, interrupted only by 2 dark blue lacquered wooden shelves, introduce a sectional differentiation that extends up to the height of the hallway ceiling. As one progresses into the living room and encounters the original wooden beams, the height line continues, marked in some partitions that even extend into the gallery, emphasizing a nuanced spatial hierarchy. The preservation effort goes beyond the mosaic flooring. All original floorings were retained and treated post-construction to restore their splendor. Only in rooms where the mosaic was lost, a new micro-cement flooring with a slightly broken white finish was implemented, seamlessly blending the old with the new. The rose gold motif, a recurring design element, finds its place in the kitchen, a Portuguese pink marble with pieces from rejects, showcasing a distinctive assembly. This meticulous attention to detail not only preserves history but also injects a contemporary and unique aesthetic into the living space. The apartment's 2 bedrooms are not just functional spaces but have been thoughtfully designed with a small annex serving as a dressing room. Both bedrooms boast their own bathroom, with one accessible from the hallway, all furnished with water-resistant varnished MDF boards, ensuring a harmonious blend of style and practicality. The living room, a focal point of daily life, features a design choice that transcends the conventional. A section of the existing wall, positioned between 2 passageways connecting the living room to the gallery, is covered with gold leaf. This not only blurs its load-bearing purpose but imparts a more symbolic and abstract presence. The gold leaf-covered wall serves as a connection element with the exterior, reflecting the light that falls upon it from the backyard. This deliberate choice adds a layer of sophistication, creating a dynamic interplay between indoor and outdoor elements. Interestingly, when entering the hallway from the apartment's entrance, the view to the opposite end is deliberately directed towards the exterior. Adjacent to this strategic viewpoint stands the gold leaf-covered wall, creating a visual narrative that harmonizes the interior with the external environment. In summary, This Barcelona apartment metamorphosis is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of historical preservation and contemporary design. It's a space where original elements are not just conserved but celebrated, creating a unique and timeless living experience in the heart of Ensanche Derecho.